talk about the MPD, which stands for multi-purpose device. It's made by CMC, and it's a new piece of equipment for our rope rescue stash. Some of the main parts of it are, here's your attachment point where you would hook it up to your anchor. It does have a parking brake, which when activated will not allow rope to move through the system, so it'll lock it into place. And it also has a turn handle. As this is a raising and a lowering device, you can raise the handle and turn it to allow, and that'll allow you to lower rope through the system. Rigging the MPD. I like to grab it palm of my hand, flip it over. On this side, there's a nice picture that explains how to do it. Take your other hand, open it up, take the load end of your rope. This is where we're going to attach to our load, whether it's being lowered or raised. And you're going to sneak it through the MPD as seen in the picture. Once that's complete, rotate the cover shut and you can flip it back over. At this point, you can then attach the MPD device to your anchor and you are ready to go. Now we're going to go through setting up a low angle rope rescue system using the MPD. Lieutenant Lieberman is establishing our anchor point for us using an anchor strap around a substantial object. Is that set up? Now from there, we're going to rig the MPD. So we're going to open it. And now we attach to our anchor. Always want to check, make sure that's locked. Now, the big advantage of the MPD is that it allows us to raise and lower with one piece of equipment. So right now, give it a little. Right now it's a progress capture. It will not allow the rope to go through the device. If I want to lower with the MPD, hold it just like this, lift up, turn the handle, and you can control how fast or slow it moves. While you're doing that, you should also be holding on to the rope just as an added fail-safe. If you let go, the rope won't move. Once we have a rope lowered down to the victim, we need to bring the victim back up. This is where the MPD comes in very handy because it also acts as a hauling system with progress capture. So I start pulling and it comes through, and if I let go, the load's not going to fall. Continue pulling, load's not going to fall. When hauling a load up with your MPD, if the load is especially heavy, you may need to add some mechanical advantage to your system. With the MPD, it makes it very simple to do that. You're going to attach your Prussics on the load side. And on your opposite end, you're going to add a pulley to your system. By simply doing this, we've added a 3-to-1 mechanical advantage to the system. So now we can haul using both our MPD and our 3-to-1, and the MPD and the Prussics create a progress capture, so that if you let go of the rope, that your load's not going to go anywhere. Continue hauling, and the progress capture. The addition of the MPD has been a pretty drastic improvement for us. It really simplifies our rope rescue operations. This setup we have here will handle most of the low angle rescues that we would be performing. Each bag, there's 2 bags on Rescue 20. Each bag has everything you see here pre-rigged in the bag, ready to go. We're also placing the same equipment on each ladder truck. Just a review, we have our anchor point, we have our anchor strap that's connected to an anchor plate, or bear claw some people call it, connected to our MPD, which is rigged correctly, going down to our load. If we had to, and that's all we need to lower. If we had to haul a heavier load up, we can attach the 3-to-1, and the pulley and the prusiks are also included in the bag for ease of use and operations. Like I said, 95% of the stuff we are going to do, this is how we're going to do it. It's simple, it's fast, and it's easy.